A grayed out Cashout button in Solitaire Cache usually means the account or withdrawal screen has not met the conditions required for a withdrawal, rather than the button simply being broken. By the end, you'll know what to check before contacting support and which steps can help determine whether the problem is with your balance, account, or the Cashout screen itself. First, check whether the balance you're trying to withdraw is actually eligible for Cashout. Solitaire Cache can display different types of balances or rewards, and not every amount shown in the app necessarily works the same way for withdrawals. Open the Wallet or Cashout section and review the information shown there. If the app displays a minimum withdrawal requirement, make sure your eligible cash balance meets that requirement before trying again. Don't rely only on the total balance displayed elsewhere in the app. Next, check your account status. If Solitaire Cache is asking you to verify your email, phone number, identity, or another account detail, complete the requested verification before attempting another withdrawal. A restricted or incomplete account can prevent Cashout functions from becoming available. Also check whether the payment method connected to your account is supported and properly configured. If the app requires you to select or verify a withdrawal method, complete that step before expecting the Cashout button to activate. If everything appears correct, close Solitaire Cache completely and reopen it. Then check the Cashout screen again. This can help if the app has not refreshed your account information after a connection interruption or recent update. Make sure you're also connected to a stable internet connection and that you're using the current version of the app available for your device. If the Cashout screen continues showing a disabled button, avoid repeatedly tapping it because that won't change an account restriction. Before contacting support, take a screenshot of the grayed out button and the balance or message displayed on the same screen. This gives support a specific view of what your account is showing. When you contact Solitaire Cache support, explain that the Cashout button is disabled and include the account email, the amount displayed as eligible for withdrawal, and any message shown on the Cashout screen. Don't send your password or payment credentials. So check 3 things first: whether your balance is eligible, whether your account has any pending verification, and whether your withdrawal method is properly configured. Your next step is to open the Cashout screen and read every requirement shown there. If you meet those requirements and the button is still grayed out, contact Solitaire Cache support with a screenshot of the issue. If this helped fix your Cashout problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.